Hi students, MCQ number 22. A gas at temperature 250 Kelvin is contained in a closed vessel. If the gas is heated through 1 Kelvin, then the percentage increase in pressure has to be determined. Now, if you read the problem again and again, what are all the given informations you have to understand. First of all, my dear students, it is given that in a closed vessel, it is given a closed vessel, is it not? That means volume is constant. So, volume V is constant. At constant volume, there is a relationship between the pressure and the absolute temperature. So, pressure is directly proportional to absolute temperature, and this law is called as Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law. This only we are going to utilize. So, P1 is proportional to temperature T1 and P2 is proportional to temperature T2. So, the percentage increase in pressure must be equal to the percentage increase in the temperature. So, what is the percentage increase in pressure? Percentage increase in pressure is final pressure minus initial pressure divided by initial pressure into 100. So, this is the percentage increase in pressure. This must be equal to change in temperature divided by the original temperature multiplied by 100. So, the right hand side gives you what? The percentage rise in the temperature. Okay, now what is the initial temperature given? 250 K. So, given is what? T1 is equal to 250 K. Now, the gas is heated through 1 Kelvin. This you have to correctly understand. Through 1 Kelvin means the rise in temperature is only 1 K. So, 250 plus 1 is what? 251. Okay. So, the final temperature T2 is equal to what? 251 K. On the right hand side, I am going to substitute the values and I will express this in what? Percentage. So, now the percentage increase in temperature. So, percentage increase in temperature is now equal to T2 minus T1 by T1. Is it not? What is T2 here? 251. So, this is equal to, I will write once again, T2 minus T1 divided by T1 into 100%. So, this is equal to 251 minus 250 divided by 250 into 100. So, the difference rise in temperature is what? 1. So, 1 into 100 divided by 250. So, this is equal to 10 by 25%. So, this is 5 2s are, this is 5 5s are. 2 by 5% is equal to what? 0.4%. So, this must also be equal to what? Percentage increase, okay, percentage increase in pressure. Therefore, percentage increase in pressure must also be equal to what? 0.4%. Okay, I hope this conversion factor you must have understood. It is based on which law? Gay-Lussac's law. Okay, children, now you look at the choices. Option A itself is the right answer. Okay, therefore, option A is the correct answer. So, very interesting numerical problem. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.